I'm really terrified to start this. I am not used to sharing my life. I'm not used to putting myself out there like this. And it's just something that I know I need to do. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to my channel. The first video on the sound of searching. And I'm super excited to be able to start this project, even though I'm a little nervous and I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go for it and I'm gonna try my best and see where this goes. First things first, what is this channel about? Basically, figuring things out. I've been thinking about starting this channel for a while. I want to say my document was like 2017 or something like that, if not sooner than that. So I didn't know what I wanted it to be yet. I just knew I wanted to create something that could help people and that could be a part of me growing as a person and growing with people and growing a community. So this is actually like my second or third recording of this video because I am just such a perfectionist. And it's very irritating sometimes because I want to do it again and again, and I want everything to be perfect before I start things. And I'm just having to adapt and being forced to learn that life doesn't always turn out the way you want it to. And that has absolutely been a part of my life story. And I'm sure you can say the same for yours. So I had this whole vision planned, like I wasn't going to have this rotating squeaky chair that you could probably hear from time to time in the audio. And I was going to have a cute comfy couch and this backdrop that I made for the YouTube channel. And with the coronavirus happening right now, it's delaying things taking place, and I've had to accept that, and I've been encouraged to move forward with just starting things instead of waiting for the perfect time, because honestly there really isn't a perfect time to start anything you want to do in life. So here we are. We're just going to see what comes of this channel. I'm going to let things happen as they may, but I wanted to first introduce myself. I'm Amanda. I am a young woman who is amidst searching for who I am, and that is why I called this channel The Sound of Searching, because I want it to be a conversation. I want it to be exploring life together, exchanging ideas, and just learning from one another, from the things we've gone through, from life, from our stories, from histories past of mistakes and successes. So I will gradually be bringing friends and family on, if they're willing, to have conversations with me about things that they've been through and things that they have overcome, along with just words of wisdom and moments they find themselves searching for themselves in. I myself have gone through losing a mother at a very young age. I have been divorced at a young age. I have dealt with family struggles like most people. And now I am single for the first time in a really, really long time, and I'm learning how to navigate that. So whatever this develops into, I don't know, but I do know that I want God to be a part of it, because He is absolutely the biggest reason why I am where I am today, and how far I've come, and just how healed I am, like emotionally, from things that have been struggles. I know that God is working to use all things for good, and I'm really excited to see what he does and how he uses me to impact people and to share my story and to grow a community and a friendship around just pressing forward and finding more of ourselves in Christ, and getting stronger together. All in all, this is just searching to find more of who I am, and hopefully you can find more of who you are with me through whatever it may be. I know we've all been through ups and downs in life. We've had struggles that have formed and shaped part of who we are, and we've also had amazing experiences that have formed and shaped who we are. So I just wanted to share a little bit of my life, my story, my journey, and hopefully be able to give you some insight and advice on some of the things you may find similar and some of the situations you find yourself in. So I really, really hope you enjoy the conversations that we have, and if you want to know anything or if you're curious about something, go ahead and just leave me a comment and let me know. Or if you know me, just give me a call and we'll have a conversation. And if you liked this video, go ahead and click the like button so I will know that, and I will be inspired to do more videos as I dive into this. And if you did not like this video, go ahead and do that too. And tell me why in the comments so that I can improve and get better and just bring more value to this and see where it goes. So if you're interested in joining this journey on The Sound of Searching, go ahead and subscribe and follow me as I start this thing. I'm just gonna go with it. Okay. Got this. No. Nope. Overthinking it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and catch the next video that I begin to put out. And yeah.